body bagged. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Me and Alex just got to Joliet MX. This is the first time we've ever been to this track. It looks a lot more open than the tracks we're used to riding. I want to say this is the Supercross track right here, and then they have the Motocross track in the back over here. I feel like we parked in a really bad spot. We probably should have drove all the way down there towards the Motocross track. But me and Alex have been trying to come here for a while, but it just hasn't worked out. It's always been like raining and stuff, so now we finally made it out here. I'm excited. Alex is gearing up right now. He looks ready to go. Alex moves out to Ohio next week, so this is gonna be like our last ride in the short term. Alex is doing his intro real quick, and then we're gonna make our way over to the motocross track. Start out with that little YZ cold start. Ooh, first kick. Well, yeah, that's definitely the Supercross track over there, and this looks like the motocross track right here. Looks pretty busy. Oh yeah, these jumps look huge. Just what I thought. They look small on camera, massive in person, like always. Oh, that guy's cracked. Oh yeah, that guy just blew me out of the dust. Really like that jump. Oh, these ruts, they're bad. I think everyone takes that same rut. Oh, getting roosted by some of these guys feels like getting hit by a shotgun. Alright guys, we're about to go check out the Supercross track. This should be pretty sick. I don't know if we'll be able to do really any of the jumps, but we'll check it out and see. Oh, body bagged. Oh, that hurt.
What happened?
I just got bodied in the rut.
You got bodied?
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm gonna go try to fix this real quick.
Okay.
Those inside lines, never again. Never going over there again. Oh, you good? Forgetting to blink. Gotta remember to blink, dude. Gotta remember to blink. I'm like notorious for that. I don't know why. That step up's like so weird. Oh my god, that actually just knocked the wind out of me. Oh my god, I smashed my ball sack so hard. Dude, oh my god. I thought I was just gonna like... Oh, I don't even know how to describe that. Like, it hurt so bad that I thought I was just gonna like tip over.
Yeah.
Like after I like landed. Oh, I hope the video does it justice to that. We were 5 minutes away from getting out of here like unscathed.
We were so close.
So close. But it was a good day of ripping.
Good day.
Let's go. Alright guys, if you're new, drop a sub. If you like this video, drop a like. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.